Welcome to Homework Lib.
Okay, let's make a quick little picture modeling the situation. If an airplane begins its descent with an average speed of 360 miles per hour at an angle of depression of 60 degrees, an angle of depression is outside of the triangles from the horizontal looking down, which would make this 30 degrees because they have to make 90. And the angle of elevation would be 60 degrees as well. We want to know how much altitude will it have lost. The altitude is the vertical after 10 minutes. Well, if it's traveling 360 miles per hour, then we know there's 10 minutes for that 10 minutes, let me do it this way. If it's 360 miles per hour, and we're multiplying, and it's going for 10 minutes. Let's think about the conversion here. Let me write this better. We know that there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So if we want to figure out 10 minutes in hours, that would be 10 out of 60, or 1/6 of an hour. And if it's gone 360 miles in one, will go in 1 hour, and it's going 1/6 of that in 1/6 hours, then it will have gone 360 divided by 6, or 60 miles in 10 minutes. Now, how much altitude is lost? Let's take from the 60-degree angle. We want to find the opposite. We have the hypotenuse. When you're referring to your right triangle trig ratios, opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So we can say that the sine of 60 degrees is equal to x over 60. Cross multiply the 60, or multiply it to both sides, and 60 sine 60 degrees will be x. In your calculator, make sure it's in degree mode, and then 60 sine 60 is about 52 miles. A boat leaves Marlins Marina at a constant speed of 3 miles per hour. The boat travels south for 10 minutes. Again, 10 minutes would be 1/6 of an hour. So 3 miles per hour would be 3 times 1/6, or we've gone 1/2 of a mile south. And then east for 20 minutes would be 3 miles per hour at 1/3 of an hour would be 1 mile. That would make a right angle going south to east. After a day of fishing, find the bearing that the captain should use to travel back to the marina. We want to find this angle. Again, with your right triangle trig ratios, that angle could be found using opposite and adjacent to the angle tangent. Tangent of the angle equals 0.5 over 1. We would find the inverse tangent of 0.5 over 1, which is 0.5. So inverse tangent of 0.5 is about 26.565 degrees. and that would be, well, that might be all you're really needing to find here.